We are joined now by Dr. Georges Benjamin, the Executive Director of APHA. So nice to meet you in person.
I'm glad to be here, absolutely.
This is an exciting time. Tell us what is happening at this week's convention.
You know, we're going to bring about 13,000 of my closest friends together here in sunny San Diego to really think about the science and how we move an agenda forward that will improve the health of the American people. It's an important agenda and everyone needs to be involved.
Talk to us about health equity. Why is that so important?
Well, you know, people often get confused between this issue around equality, where you kind of give everybody the same thing, and equity, where people get what they need, and interestingly, even justice, which means that whatever we're giving them is right. And so what we're really looking for at this meeting is to make sure that we get equity. That means that people get what they need when they need it to improve their health. And what we mean by that, of course, is to get to their optimum health, whatever they possibly can achieve.
Can you give us some specifics, anything APHA is doing to help achieve health equity?
Yeah, we're working very hard in the research area. We're supporting organizations like the National Institute of Health and all of our research partners to get more and more people into clinical care, into research protocols, because there's an inequity there. We're working very hard to make sure that we deal with equitable housing, equitable policies around jobs, dealing with immigration. These are things that people say, well, those are social things, that why are we fooling around with that? But they're equity issues.
Let's talk about next year's theme, for science, for action, for health. Talk about how important science is to public health.
You know, the world does not happen unless we focus on science. The earth is not flat. Climate change is real. And there are certainly disagreements about the facts, but that's what the scientific process is all about. Doing the research, trying to do better discovery, trying to improve in what we know. And what we're hoping to do next year is bring together the family of people that are interested in science to challenge each other, to ask questions, to improve the human condition.
Thank you so much for joining us. Great to talk with you.
Thank you.